Hey friends, welcome back to Homeschool-ology. If you're new here, my name is Nikki. I'm a homeschooling mom of 4. I got a 7th grader, 3rd grader, and then 5 and 3-year-old who are doing kind of like a pre-K, kinder level. And on this channel, I like to talk to you guys about mostly secular homeschooling, but also motherhood and having a larger family and traveling with a larger family and all the things in between there. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you an unboxing of the Sketchbox, which is one that I had not heard of, but my kids kind of had asked for subscription boxes for Christmas, so I was doing some research trying to find like ones that I thought would fit well for my kiddos, and I came across the Sketchbox one, and my daughter loves to draw and loves to do all things art, and so I thought that this one might be a good fit for her. She's really loving it. She's getting tools that she never would have like known about or never would have thought to use before. So I'm gonna switch to a video of her opening the box and seeing all the things, showing you guys what all the things are, and I'll meet you guys back here at the end. Editing Nikki here. I just wanted to pop on and say, as I was editing this video, my daughter did like as her full-on own video, so she has an intro and an outro and everything, and so I just wanted to pop on and say that I'm so super proud of her. But she did insist on doing this during the time that I was making dinner, so I'm sorry that there's a lot of like background noise and things happening other than her video, so keep that in mind. But I hope you guys enjoy and are as proud of her as I am for putting together this video for you guys.
Hello, welcome to Homeschool-ology. I am Jacelyn, and today we're opening a Sketchbox. I think this is the one from May. Just gotta open it. So on the inside there is some tape. This is what it looks like. First thing I see. Basically, if you don't know, Sketchbox picks an artist, and then they have them draw something, or in this case paint something, and they put it in the box and give you the supplies that they used. This is the list of all the supplies. And then here, 15 pages of watercolor paper. And then there's one of these paint palettes, this little 6 bubble ones thing. And then here, sorry, I had to pause that, I didn't know what this was. So these are colored pigments in yellow, red, and blue, and then this turns them into watercolors. I've never used it before. This should be fun. And then there's a sticker that comes in every Sketchbox. This one has the pigments and the scooper. Yeah, scooper. And then there's this brown 0.4 size pen in brown, and it is made by Stabio. Probably said that wrong. And then here, the Sketchbox brand paintbrush. It's an angled paintbrush. It looks pretty big. The bristles are, ooh, that's soft. It has this protective cap. And that's it for the unboxing. I will either show how the stuff works or draw something with it. I don't know quite yet. Anyway, see you then. Bye. Okay, I decided to tell you how they work. So, you take a tiny spoonful of the pigment, like tiny, and be careful, this is pigment. Ooh, that's pretty. So you just get like tiniest little bits and get your palette and just tap it in there. Maybe a little bit more. You could change like the opacity of it because of this. And then you take a little bit of this oil, which is, and just drop it in. Oh wait, that looks cool. Oh, it's a liquid binder, not liquid. And there you have your watercolor. I may need to water it down. And I'm gonna get my brush and dip it in my water. And then pick up a little bit of this and just spread it on my canvas. And look, that's pretty red. Really pretty red. Be sure to screw the lid on. Don't want any accidents. And then just top your brush off in the water along with your spoon and dry it on the paper towel. And then you can prepare your next color. I'm gonna do blue next. And ooh, these colors are so pretty. Now take the oil once again, or the binder, drop it in. And then mix a blue. And you can probably mix the two pigments. I just haven't tried that yet. I'll mix pigments now. Well, and you'll take some and spread it on. Ooh, it's pretty. So I'm gonna make, I wanna make, what do I wanna make? Green? I wanna make green. Take 1 small scoop of blue. Clean it and get a little scoop of my yellow. Ooh, that's bright. Camera doesn't show how bright this is, but this is bright. Throw a little in there. Close. And then drop some oil or binder. Mix the pigment together with the binder. And you get a dark green, depending on how much water you add, it'll get lighter. And now we got green. So that's how that works. But anyway, that's what I thought of the Sketchbox. Thank you for watching. And my mom will, maybe my mom will finish the stuff. I don't know, I'll have to ask. If she doesn't though, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
So that is the Sketchbox, and it's actually a really great box, and I feel like the quality of the tools are really good for what she, for the amount of money that it is, and she's really enjoying them. She has asked to continue the subscription for her birthday. She's asked my mom and I to get her more boxes for her birthday present, so she is really, really enjoying these, and it's something that if you have an artist in your life that they would absolutely love as a gift. So if you guys have any other questions about it, I would be happy to answer them down below. They do, of course, have on social media on Instagram. So I'll link their Instagram down below as well. And I'm pretty sure they're on YouTube too, because some of them have videos where you can like watch how they do use the art tools for the month. So I will link all that down below for you guys. I think that's it. So I would love it if you would subscribe to this channel by clicking on the button down below and ringing that notification bell so you know when more videos are coming out. And I hope you guys will come back and talk to me again real soon, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.